I'm sure it has happened to you that you started wondering if somebody else has access to your Instagram account. Maybe they have made some changes to it. Maybe they have sent other people messages or maybe reposted something. In this video, I am going to show how you can check if someone else has logged into your account or not. In order to check that, you want to head over to settings by tapping on these three lines at the top right corner. And from this list, you want to tap on the first icon that says Account Center. And here, as you can see, this one says password and security. You want to tap on that. And here it says where you're logged in. So once you tap on that and check and choose your account, you will see all the active sessions. This one, it says this device right now. So this is the only active session that has access to my Instagram account. If there were other devices who had logged into my account, they would be visible here. But as you can see, it says no logs in for this account on other devices. So this way you can check, and if there are other people who have access to your account, you can always change your password here, choose your account. If you remember your password, you can just type in your current password and then type your new password and retype it. If you don't remember it, it tells you the last time you updated it, or you can also tap on forgot your password. They will send you a link and you can renew your password. It's just so simple. You can check how many people have logged into your account, so you can maybe log out of those accounts. If you have anything to add to this video, why don't you leave us a comment? And also, it will help us so much if you subscribe.